What's going on? What's going on, my fellow collectors? I'm back again, guys, with another unboxing. And it's been a long time. Psych. It was just like last week, right, guys? And I'm back again. I actually had this package come in the mail on Friday, and it was just killing me to wait all weekend, man, because I was like busy with the company and everything. You know, I was like, come on, it's Sunday. So finally got the time, posting up another unboxing for you guys. Before I get started, I just wanted to say thanks for all of you new subscribers. Good looking out, guys, because you know, it's a pleasure sharing these amazing figures with you guys. And I met some awesome people all over the world. Like, you know, that's the awesome thing about this hobby here. It's like, you know, you have a common interest with people all over. You know, and I meet people local. You know, it's amazing. I didn't know some of you guys is out there. I don't have the names offhand, but you know, you got some amazing collections. I mean, just from the thought the day I was checking out a new friend that I had just met, this guy got some amazing military figures. My bad for forgetting the name, bro, but you know who you are. He had the only person that I know that had the Saving Private Ryan figure, the Ed Harris figure from one of the movies Behind Enemy Lines, and also the awesome new Platoon figure, Chris Kyler figure. Then the guy had the nerve to have Commander Icarus, I believe the name is, with Planet of the Apes. Never seen nobody display that figure in their collection. So that was awesome. Like I said, you guys got some hot shit out there. So I definitely got to get some detox and hook up my shit because they're basically in a box that's chilling. But I don't have no room and I don't want to frequently action figure importer in my apartment, you know what I mean? And that's why I definitely need a credit. But with that being said, I told you guys I'm going to be showering you with some amazing unboxings for the next week. I guess this week coming up, I got some good shit coming too. But you guys guess, can you guess what's in the box? Let's open it up, see what's in here. Got this from a seller. I think I ordered it like last week. So finally got it today. So you guys get to see me open it up. So if anything go wrong, you guys are my witness. So I don't think it's probably Hot Toys packaged, factory packaged because of the size of this box, for one. I want to be real gentle with this, so I don't have a proper cutter. But hope it is Hot Toys package. You guys know we love our Hot Toys package out there. Woo! I am wrong, guys. Check it out. Hot Toys packaged. Bang! Bang! Oh wow, a few little peanuts, but it's cool because we have that special Hot Toys package to protect the figure that's inside. But you guys are wondering what's in here. Here's my little invoice. Basically just a thank you. This figure was $150 in US, and I actually paid $10 shipping, so the $10 shipping wasn't bad. So $160 altogether. I've seen this figure go for $135, but didn't have the cash at the time, so you know, I wish I would have probably got that figure at the time when it was $135, but now it's like practically impossible to get unless you go on eBay. But I found it from a store seller, and we open up this right here. Be very careful. Bang! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Alrighty, guys. Everything looks fresh. You probably seen it. Oh man. You guys probably see what it is, but here we go. You see that, guys? Assassin's Creed. Been wanting this guy for a minute. Bang. Popcorns out here. Peanuts, whatever you want to call them. Here you got it, guys. The Assassin's Creed 2 Ezio 1/6 collectible figure. Cool box. Nice texturing. Got little shiny little reflective type glossy, I don't know, like that pattern from the game when he actually is like going through can't remember what it's called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And he's like kind of in that like computerized stage or whatever before he crosses over. And then he had a nice gloss, cool picture. Awesome, guys, awesome stuff. Let's see, got this guy right there. Oh man. Awesome. Amazing figure, guys, already, I can see. You guys was right. Assassin's Creed, guys. From, what is that, Hot Toys video game masterpieces? And you know what, guys? I've ended this game. I'm a fan. And even if I wasn't a fan, guys, I'm sure you guys, you know, I would have picked this figure up. I know some of you guys out there probably never played the game and is loving it. Loving this figure. You probably want to play the game now. I forgot. It's not. Let's not cut that. Alright. I'm a little anxious, guys. Sorry. Said I beat the first game. This guy, he looks exactly like Ezio. Amazing Hot Toys, amazing job done again. Uh-oh, dropped one of the blades. Where's the other one at? Amazing figure, guys. I'm going to have to find the blade, but there it is, inside there. I'm impressed. Definitely impressed. Stay tuned for a review for this guy. Peace.